Anonas for 3. Short. Rebound by Cristales. Cristales dribbling. Cristales out to Dingkong. Open for 3. In and out. Rebound goes to Anonas. Anonas outlet to Vega. Vega out to Luneda. Luneda for 2. Basket. First 2 points of the game for number 15, Leoneda. Lopo dribbling. Ogos fake. That's traveling violation. No basket. Anonas, starting point guard. Out to Luneda. Leoneda to Jade. Jade Anonas to Sastrado. To Demesino. To Jade. Good full movement. Anonas. Nice pass to Vega. Vega. There's a foul. Basket counts for Marvin Vega. Vega completed the 3-point play. 3 points on his name. Lupo. Lupo penetrates. Nice move. Pass to Cristales. Looking for teammates. Cristales. Turnover. Anonas launches a 3. In and out. Rebound goes to Luneda. Back to Anonas. To Sastrado. Sastrado. Sastrado for 3. Short. Lopo penetrates. Fakes. Good defense by Luneda. There's a turnover. Back to the ball game. Jade Anonas. Jade Anonas. Above favorite shot. Jade basket. Jade Anonas 0-4. First 2 points of the game. In it to Hugos. Hugos. Basket for 2. Leoneda launches a 2. No good. Rebound Art. Second rebound. Art Cristales. Out to Dingkong. Pass to Kenny Lopo. Lopo for 3. Long rebound. Sastrado. What an intense first quarter here at La Alegria Gym. Anonas. Stolen. Intercepted. Art Cristales. 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 Looking for teammates. Out to Lopo. Lopo fakes. Lopo for 3. Bang! 3 points for Kenny Lopo. Anonas. Setting the play. Anonas to the wing. Leoneda. Good defense. Demesino. Nice pass to Vega. Vega for 2. What a play from Demesino. Dingkong for 3. Short. Rebound Leoneda. Up and running. Setting the play is Anonas. Back to Leoneda. To Vega. Vega shoots. Block. Blocked by Bulanon. Turnover. Jade Anonas fakes. To Demesino. Demesino for 3. Nothing. Out of bounds. Vega. Leoneda. Anonas. Pull up. In and out. Rebound goes to Hugos. Pass to Dingkong. Intercepted by Sastrado. Good defense. Hugos to Bulanon. Basket! 2 points for Bulanon. Score is 11-7 in favor of Red. Meanwhile, here's Vega. All the way to the cup for 2 points. Kenny Lopo. Kenny Lopo penetrates. Pass to Dingkong. Dingkong fakes. Dingkong shoots. Dingkong scores for 2. Sastrado to Anonas. Sastrado. To Vega. To Luneda. Good ball movement. Oh, it was stolen. Dingkong. Dingkong. Sidestep. Basket. Nice play by Dingkong. Score 13-11 in favor of red. Here's Vega. Vega again, very aggressive in the first quarter. Vega, another 2 points. Dingkong open for 3. Short. Rebound again sa Estrado. Pass to Jade Anonas. Jade Anonas. Crossover. Vega. Vega again. Grabe si Vega. 2 points for Vega. Dominating down low. Crossover, Kinilopo. And there's a foul committed by number 15. Lopo to Dingkong. Bulanon, jump shot, short, rebound, Divisino. Out to Jade Anonas. Jade Anonas. Nice pass. Sastrado. No good. Back to Anonas. Anonas. Nice move by Jade. Short. There's a foul committed by number 04. 2:55 remaining in the first quarter. 17-11 in favor of red. Out of bounds. Kenny to Bulanon. Bulanon shoots. Short. Rebound Vega. Out to Anonas. 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 To Luneda. Moves. 3 seconds violation. Lupo. Crossover. Pass to Dingkong. Dingkong putting a move. Basket for number 28. 17-13 is our score. Shout out to LBJ of Silay. Basket counts plus the foul. Dingkong. Timeout on the floor. Dingkong completed the 3-point play. Anonas to Sastrado. Sastrado back to Anonas. Anonas jump shot. Basket. Basket. Dingkong. Rebound goes to Sastrado. But to Anonas. Outside. Anonas crossover. Up. Turnover. Dingkong. Dingkong penetrates. No good. Rebound. Goes to Kenny. Kenny. Nice pass to Bulanon. Bulanon. No good. Blow the wide open layup. Vega. Vega. Good move. Couldn't finish. But there's a foul. Basket counts for Marvin Vega. What a play. Short. 37 seconds remaining in the opening quarter. Hugos. Rebound Bulanon. Bulanon foul. Basket counts for number 24, Bulanon. Score 21-16 in favor of red. Bonus free throw for Bulanon. Completed a 3-point play. So Leonida. Turnover. Pass to the wrong teammate. Kinilopo all the way. Basket for Kinilopo. 14 seconds. Sastrado. Sastrado. Fakes. Sastrado penetrates. Sastrado. No good. There's a foul committed. 5 seconds remaining. Tied at 21. Kinilopo. Kinilopo. Space. Kinilopo. Nice move. Traveling. Violation. 0.5 remaining. Dimisino. Good. End of first quarter. Score 21 all. Second quarter. Second quarter on the way. Oquindo to Aspa. Back to Oquindo. To Villarias. Open for 3. Basket. 3-pointer for Cedric Villarias. Nice pass from number 69. Quebradero. Back to BJ Talavera. Talavera attempt. No good. Rebound Palses. Palses. Gakuot si Palses. 2 points for Arjen Palses. Oquendo. Spin move. Bam bam. Loses the handle. Tres Reyes. All the way. No good. Angelo Tres Reyes in the free throw. First attempt basket. Oquendo to Villarreal. Back-to-back three from Cedric Villarreal. From number 69, Buang. 2 assists already for Buang. Tres Reyes fakes. Tres Reyes bump. Quebradero. Quebradero foul. Basket counts. Quebradero. No good. Rebound. Villarreal. Villarreal. Stolen by Angelo Tres Reyes. Stolen by Oquendo. Buang. Defended by Beji. Andungan for 3. No good. Rebound Andungan. Borja shoots. No good. Rebound by Borja. Borja. Blocked by Quebradero. Oquendo. Buang. Uy. Fake. Buang. Nice move. Nice pass to Villarreal. No good. Good play by number 69. Villarreal shooting 2 free throws. Villarreal second attempt. Basket. 3 minutes gone by in the second quarter. Deflected by Villarreal. Talavera. Pass to Tres Reyes. Tres Reyes fakes. Tres Reyes jump shot. Short. Oy, ball goes to Arjen. No good. Rebound Quebradero. Quebradero. No good. Nice rebound by Pfizer. Aspa. Nice pass. Villarreal. Villarreal. Swept, but there's a foul. Inbound play. Borja. Pass to Aspa. To Handungan. To Villarreal. Villarreal. Making a move. Villarreal. Spins. Pass to Aspa. To Borja. Borja jump shot. No good. Rebound na Bojo. Buang. Nice move. Buang. Step back. Basket for number 69. Gipakitaan again si Coach Iloy. What a move by number 69. Bangkaya for 3, short. Rebound goes to Andungan. Andungan with the ball. Pass to Bojo. Turnover. Palses. Palses on the way to the basket. There's a foul. First attempt, basket. Palses, basket. Villarreal. Short, rebound Tres Reyes. Out to Bangkaya. Bangkaya, basket for 2. Oquendo, pass to Villarreal. To Borja. Borja loses the handle, overshoots. Out to Palses. Palses to Quebradero, all the way to the rack, no good. Quebradero, no good. Rebound Quebradero, no good. Rebound again Quebradero, outside. Stolen by Cedric Villarreal. Villarreal up and running. Villarreal shoots, scores. Cedric Villarreal for 2. Tres Reyes. Tres Reyes, nice move to the basket. But couldn't finish. Oquendo to Villarreal. Villarreal open for 3. Bang! Cedric Villarreal with back-to-back scores. Timeout on the floor. Talavera to Bancaya. Bancaya passes to Quebradero. Back to Bancaya. Bancaya for 3. Basket for number 7. Bancaya. Oquendo pass to Villarreal. Red hot Villarreal. No good. Outside. Score 37-33 in favor of Red. Chris Reyes. Air ball. Handungan for 3. Basket! Handungan with the first triple of the game. Left all alone. Ten seconds to shoot. Talavera. Pass to Quebradero. Quebradero overshoots. Quebradero rebound. No good. Looking for foul. But there's no foul. Borja. Borja. Borja all the way. Basket. Basket. $20 seconds on the shot clock. To Tris Reyes. Tris Reyes. Here drop. No good. Rebound Buang. Buang. Grabe ko rin. Oh, speeding yapon. Buang. Nice pass to Borja. Loses it momentarily. Miss it. Pass break opportunity for the orange. Talavera. Pass to Kier. Kier. Basket for 2. 42-35 is our score. Second quarter. Outside. My idol Buang orchestrating the play. Pass to Aspa. Aspa jump shot. No good. Rebound Kier. Pass to Bancaya. Chris Reyes. Chris Reyes strip. Good defense by Buang. Buang. Buang, the free throw. Ringless Bagatiyo Gambula. Two and 45 remaining in the second quarter. Buang, pass to Villarreal, fakes. Villarreal penetrates. Villarreal, no good. To Tris Reyes. Tris Reyes. Tris Reyes. Basket for Angelo Tris Reyes. Good defense by Angelo. Tris Reyes. Pass to Bancaya. Bancaya fakes. Bancaya scores for 2 points. Score is 43-39. Buang for 3. Basket for number 69. 3-pointer. That's his answer. Quebradero. Quebradero. No good. Rebound Palses. Good rebound by Palses for 2 points. Kasadya kailangan pang. This is an intense first game between the orange and red. Meanwhile, Villarreal jump shot. No good. Rebound Quebradero. Tris Reyes. Tris Reyes all alone. Basket for 2. Fast-paced game. 1 minute and 20 remaining. Borja. Borja. No good. Rebound again Borja. Block. Outside. Buang looking for teammate. Out to Handungan. To Borja. Open for 3. That's air ball. Tris Reyes for 3. No good. Rebound Quebradero. Basket for Kier. Cedric Villarreal dancing. running. Verias to Borja. Borja for 2. Basket at last. 2 points for Borja. Tres Reyes. Tres Reyes. Foul. No good. Tres Reyes. Off the glass. Tres Reyes, 2 out of 2 using glass. Here's Buang. Buang. Buang fakes. Good defense repulses. Buang, nice move. That's a foul. Nine seconds. Good defense by Cedric. Good defense. Oops. That's traveling. 2 seconds remaining. Bojo. Ato Andungan. Andungan for 3. With the buzzer, no good. Score 48-41 after 2 quarters. Third quarter on the way. Sastrado. Sastrado, pass to Anunas. Anunas shoots. Basket for 3. Number 04 with a corner triple. Dingkong wide open. Bang! Number 38 for 3 points. Mostre. No good. Rebound Radstel. Rebound ba si Radstel, oh? Kinilupo. Up, go defense. Anunas. Anunas. Anunas penetrates. Anunas. Open. In and out. Rebound goes to Mostre. Mostre. No good. Rebound goes to Anunas. Out to Buang. To Vega. Vega uses his muscle. Traveling. Violation. Buang. Buang. Nice pass to Anunas. Oops. Traveling violation. Kanamitan nga pasa to ba? Coach Mab. Coach Mab penetrates. Nice pass to Taglukop. Taglukop in and out. Rebound Vega. Out to Buang. Buang looking for teammates. Buang. Buang shots for 3. Oh, in and out. In and out. Ara na gid sa ring nagwapa. D crossover. Goes to the basket. Foul. Basket counts. D shooting bonus free throw. No good. Rebound Vega. There's a foul from behind. Credited to Taglukop. Mostre. Mostre shoots. Mostre no good. Rebound goes to Taglukop. Here's D. D Nerds. D Nerds challenging Coach Bam. D Nerds scoop shot. No good. Looking for the foul. Buang. Buang. Nice make. Buang on the way. Basket. What a play by number 69. Too hot to handle. Kenilupo. Deflected. Out to Anunas. To Vega. 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 Vega all the way. No good. Rebound goes to Mostre. Mostre for 2. Dingkong for 3. Short. Rebound goes to Buang. Buang up and running. Buang looking for teammates. Buang moves. Pass to Vega. Couldn't handle. Turnover. Nice pass to Radstel. Radstel for 2 points. Radstel for 2. First points of the game. Sastrado. Short. Rebound goes to Kenilupo. Out to D. D Nerds. D Nerds. Foul. No good. Foul on the floor. D Nerd shoots short. Rebound goes to Mostre. 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 Kaya. Mostre all the way. Basket for Mostre. Joji Boy for 2. For naton 61 59. Oh, no good. Rebound goes to Buang. Buang, pass to Vega. Vega all the way to the basket for 2 points. What a play and what a pass by number 69. Dingkong wide open. No good. Rebound, up and running. Pass to Anonas. Anonas all the way to the rack for 2 points. There's a timeout on the floor. Bulanon shoots, short. Oh my goodness. Loses the ball. Hugos for 2. Deadlock at 63. Anonas to Buang, to Sastrado, back to Buang, pass to Anonas. Anonas shoots, short. Rebound. Bulanon, still by Anonas, deflected. Nice pass! Nice pass! Mosre for 2 coming from Vega. Nice play by 2 big men. Tres Reyes, pass to Dingkong. Dingkong for 3, short. Duway na ka, gi-shoot si Dingkong sa nga third quarter. Buang, experience-wise, Buang for 3, no good. Rebound Tres Reyes, spin move. Tres Reyes shoots, no good. Rebound, deflected by Tres Reyes. Hugos basket. 2 out of 2 for Hugos this third quarter. Sastrado, jump shot. Sastrado open, no good. Rebound again goes to Tres Reyes. Tres Reyes out to Dingkong. Dingkong fakes. Good defense. Good defense by Buang. Buang double team. Pass to Vega. Turnover. 2 minutes and 45 remaining on the third. Basket for 2. Ojo stepping. Hugos to the basket for 2. 6 points in the third quarter for Hugos. 69-65 in favor of Orange. Mostre block. Villarias to Sastrado. To Buang, to Sastrado. Back to Villarias. Good movement. Villarias for 3. Air ball. One-on-one defense. Villarias against Tres Reyes. One-on-one defense. Crossover. Tres Reyes. There's a foul. Bulanon. Pass to Dingkong. Dingkong. Block. Dingkong block. Hugos jump shot. Hugos basket. 4 out of 4 for Hugos in the third quarter. Buang shoots. Buang no good. Rebound Hugos. Hugos pass break too. Taman kalayo. Villarias no good. Up and running Tres Reyes. Tres Reyes all the way. Basket for 2. Angelo Tres Reyes. Mostre double team. Good defense. Mostre outside. 23 seconds. Sastrado out to Villarias. Corner triple. No good. Stolen. Hugos. Kick ball. 9 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Pass to Bojo. Buang fakes. Pass to Aspa. Aspa for 3. Bang! 3-pointer. What a shot coming from Aspa with a pass coming from Buang. Start of the fourth quarter. Vega challenging Quebradero. No good. Rebound goes to Kerr. Good rebound. Kinilupo. Pass back to Tres Reyes. Tres Reyes. Basket for 2. Basket for 2. Nice pass from Kinilupo. Villarreal. Nice pass to Mostre. Mostre, left-handed shoots. No good. Rebound. Goes to Mostre. Mostre, overpower. There's a foul. 2 free throws for Juji Boy. First attempt, basket. Tres Reyes. Tres Reyes. To Hugos. Hugos, 5 out of 5. Mostre. Mostre. Nice pass to Vega. Vega for 2. Coming from Mostre. Hugos. Basket for Hugos. Hugos is on fire. 6 out of 6. Villarreal off the glass. Basket. Tres Reyes. Tres Reyes. Nice move. Left-handed shot. No good. Rebound to Quebradero. Quebradero double team. Foul. Quebradero first attempt. Short. Quebradero second attempt. No good. But bounces it back for 2. Mostre for 2 points. Hugos. Nice pass to Quebradero. Quebradero short. Bakbakan sa rebound. Bakbakan sa rebound. Anonas. Anonas. Sama na rin. Oy! Passes to the wrong person. Turnover. Pass to Tres Reyes. Tres Reyes. Foul. Basket. Borja. To Anonas. Anonas. Jump shot for 3. No good. Rebound Quebradero. Outlet to Tres Reyes. Turnover. Villarreal open for 3. No good. Hugos with the rebound. Pass to Tres Reyes. Tres Reyes. No good. Rebound. Nice. Hugos. Hugos. Jump shot. 7 out of 7 for Hugos. Mostre. Mostre. Bye-bye. Ansa 3. For 3. No good. Anonas. To Villarreal. 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 To Anonas for 3. In and out. In and out. Aspa. Villarreal. Cedric Villarreal. No good. Rebound Tres Reyes. Tres Reyes up and running. Tres Reyes to Dingkong. Dingkong for 2. Vega. Vega penetrates. Vega. Foul. Stolen by Villarreal. Intercepted. Villarreal. Basket for 2. Nice play. Oh, halang LBJ. Hugos in and out, first miss. Lupo overshoots. Quebradero put back for 2. Vega for 3, short. Villarreal for 3, short. Aspa, jump shot, short. Vega rebound. Vega shoots, short. Tres spin move, nice pass to Quebradero, basket. What a play. Aspa, foul, basket. 3:21. 90-81. 9-point lead. Tres Reyes. Quebradero to Lupo. Lupo, jump shot, basket. Anonas all the way to the cup, basket for 2. Anonas for 3. Bang! 3 points for Jade Anonas. Good defense. Jump ball. Anonas, paso sa Estrado. Sa Estrado. All the way to the cup for 2. 88-94, 48 seconds remaining. Traveling violation. Good defense by Marvin Vega. Anonas for 3. No good. Rebound, Angelo Tres Reyes. Good defense. There's a foul. Foul. Villarreal for 3. No good. Rebound, Quebradero. 15 seconds.
Time out. Time out kami tayo. Tapos, karoon lang.
Nice game. Final score 96-88.